Welcome to Next Gen Cloud Computing. Master Linux and Cloud Skill for free.
Welcome to the Ansible Cloud Automation series, where we simplify the future of IT with powerful automation tools. We're creating a series of videos on Ansible Cloud Automation to help you master these concepts step by step. In this video, let's understand why cloud automation with Ansible is crucial and how it can revolutionize your IT infrastructure. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's automate the cloud together. Your journey to mastering Ansible starts now.
Ansible transforms the way we approach cloud automation. Imagine effortlessly managing your cloud infrastructure with just a few lines of code. With Ansible, you can provision resources across multiple platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, all from a single control point. It's like having a universal remote for your cloud environment. You define your desired state in simple YAML files, and Ansible takes care of the rest, ensuring consistency and reducing the risk of human error. Need to scale up your application? Just update your playbook and Ansible handles the deployment seamlessly. Plus, its agentless architecture means you don't have to install anything on your servers. Just SSH in and you're ready to go. Ansible not only streamlines your workflows, but also empowers teams to collaborate more effectively, making cloud automation not just a task, but a strategic advantage. Ansible is an open-source automation platform that simplifies complex tasks like configuration management, application deployment, and orchestration. It operates by describing infrastructure and application configurations in simple YAML files, known as playbooks, which define the desired state of systems. These playbooks can then be executed across multiple servers or cloud instances simultaneously, enabling consistent and scalable management of IT environments. Ansible uses a declarative language, YAML, for defining configurations, making it straightforward to understand and write playbooks. Tasks are executed over SSH, eliminating the need for installing agent software on remote systems, which simplifies setup and maintenance. Ansible automates provisioning, configuration, and deployment of infrastructure components such as servers, networks, and storage. It supports a wide range of cloud providers, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, etc., and integrates seamlessly with existing infrastructure. By defining infrastructure as code, Ansible ensures consistency across environments, reducing human errors and configuration drift. Playbooks can be reused and shared, promoting scalability and standardization in deployment processes. Ansible facilitates DevOps practices by automating build, test, and deployment pipelines. It integrates with CI/CD tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI, etc., enabling seamless automation from code commit to production deployment. Ansible manages configurations of software and services across multiple servers, ensuring that systems are correctly configured and maintained. It supports configuration tasks such as package installation, file management, service management, and more. Cloud automation is one of Ansible's core strengths. It helps manage cloud infrastructure, provision resources, and configure environments consistently across multiple cloud platforms. Here's an expanded view of how Ansible supports cloud automation. Ansible provides modules for interacting with multiple cloud providers such as AWS, Azure, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, OpenStack, and more. This allows organizations to manage hybrid or multi-cloud environments efficiently. Modules like EC2, RDS, and S3 enable automation of tasks such as instance creation, database management, and object storage. Use modules like Azure ARM for provisioning virtual machines, setting up networks, and managing Azure resources. Automate the creation of virtual machines, Kubernetes clusters, and other Google Cloud services with GCPT Compute, GCPT, SQL, and similar modules. By abstracting cloud APIs into Ansible modules, users can interact with diverse cloud services using a unified and straightforward approach. Ansible helps implement infrastructure as code principles, enabling teams to define cloud infrastructure using reusable playbooks, store configurations in version control systems, enabling collaboration and tracking changes, and recreate environments easily, ensuring consistent deployments across development, staging, and production. Ansible can manage dynamic scaling of cloud resources based on demand. For instance, automatically add or remove instances in response to traffic spikes, and adjust resource limits for databases or storage services. This ensures optimal utilization of cloud resources, improving performance and reducing costs. Modern cloud platforms offer diverse services, such as serverless functions, deploy AWS Lambda, Azure Functions, or GCP Cloud Functions using Ansible playbooks, provision Kubernetes clusters and manage their configurations with Ansible, and automate provisioning of cloud-hosted databases like RDS, Azure SQL, or Cloud SQL. After provisioning resources, Ansible can configure them and ensure they adhere to organizational policies, automate firewall settings, VPC creation and DNS configurations, enforce security policies, manage IAM roles and handle certificate deployments, and install and configure monitoring tools and log aggregators. Cloud automation using Ansible can help reduce costs by scheduling resource usage and cleaning up unused resources. For enterprise-level cloud automation, Ansible Tower, or the open-source AWX, offers a GUI for managing playbooks, workflows, and job schedules, provides role-based access control to ensure secure cloud resource management, and enables scheduling and monitoring of automated tasks. By learning Ansible, students can gain hands-on experience automating cloud infrastructure, a critical skill in modern IT. They'll be equipped to manage scalable, efficient, and secure cloud environments, making them highly sought after in cloud and DevOps roles. This is just the beginning. We're creating a series of videos on Ansible Cloud Automation to help you master these concepts step by step. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's automate the cloud together.